How to Fix TikTok Favorite Sounds Not Showing 2026 Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the TikTok favorite sounds not showing issue step by step. Let's get started. First, open the TikTok app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Method 1. Check internet connection. Start with the basics. Make sure your internet is working properly. Switch between Wi-Fi, mobile data. Then reopen TikTok and check again. Method 2. Update TikTok app. Go to the Google Play Store or App Store. Search for TikTok and tap Update if available. Outdated versions often hide or break features like saved sounds. Method 3. Clear cache. This is the most effective fix. Go to Settings, then Apps, then TikTok, then Storage. Now tap Clear Cache. This removes corrupted temporary files that may be causing the issue. Method 4. Check Favorites section properly. Go to your profile, tap the bookmark icon, Favorites, then open the Sounds tab. Sometimes it's not missing, it's just moved or filtered under a different section. Method 5. Log out, then log back in. Go to Settings, log out of your account, then log back in. This refreshes your account data and fixes syncing issues. Method 6. Reinstall TikTok. If nothing works, uninstall and reinstall TikTok. This gives you a fresh app install and fixes deeper glitches. Bonus tip. Make sure your account is not in restricted mode or limited activity mode because that can hide certain features. And that's it. Now you know how to fix the TikTok favorite sounds not showing issue easily. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.